Okay, welcome everyone to Diamond Profits Academy. Today's first video, I want to get you guys set up on TradingView for all the new traders on board. If you're an experienced trader and you already have a TradingView, you can go ahead and skip this video and go to the next one. But this video is for my new traders out there. I just want to walk you guys real quick on tools and how to set up your account. So you'll probably won't see this right away, but basically you just want to kind of go to profile and get a pro account. It's like $15.99. Very, very worth it. You get all these extras. Um, yeah, so do that as soon as you see this video. Make your account. Next, I want to go over the tools, the basic tools that we will be using within the academy. Um, First, you got, so these are all your tools right here. Firstly, we got trend lines, arrows, um, horizontal lines. I don't suggest using any of these right away if you're new. We'll get on with that later on. But basically, uh, yeah, it's just to spot trends. You know what I mean? Horizontal. Yeah, you get the point. Next, we got Fibonacci. This is for all my Fibonacci traders out there. Basically, start from the lowest point and you go up. That is a little bit more advanced. I will go over that in a video in the future. Next, you basically have your brushes, your highlighters, your rectangles to spot zones. You know what I mean? But again, that's pretty advanced. I will go over this in the future. You have your text boxes. So if you ever want to, for example, this right here would be a higher high. And of course, I'll go over that. And so you just kind of, it's just to see it on the chart to kind of help you out in your trading. I've never really used these, honestly. You can if you get to that point, but you can use Head and Shoulders, Elliott Impulse waves, triple combo waves. That's all advanced. If you're a beginner trader, obviously you would not be using that. So, next you have this is very important. You have your long positions and your short positions. So, if you're going for a buy, you would do long positions and you would set it up to where you want to go, and boom, it pops up, and you can edit how much you want to risk and how much you want to make. So that is a very good important tool. And then obviously you have your short position, which is sell, same thing. Your forecast, data range, price range, bars patterns, you probably won't ever get into this. This is some advanced tools here that I don't recommend getting into right away. And then obviously you have these, which I've never honestly used these before, so you can use them if you want. But yeah, your weak magnet and your strong magnets, I've never used these either, but I've heard it's a great tool. Up here in the top, you have your hours, so whatever you like to trade on, and you will learn that as you get more into your trading experiences. But basically, we work from the 4 hour down, sometimes the daily. Yeah, you will see that later on in specific videos. Over here, you have your candles. You can change that to line, area. It depends on how you like to see the market. Hakanashi candles are nice. I know a lot of traders that like to trade this way. It basically just helps you spot out trends better. Yeah, so it might be easier for you getting started. I've never honestly used these ones, so I won't go over them. And yeah, so basically you have right here, you have your indicators. And these are basically everything that You can do your EMAs, your moving averages. You have whatever you want. RSIs, oscillator, all that stuff will be found on this tab right here. I want to go over this side over here, and let me just kind of get rid of this stuff really quickly. Yeah, so over in the top right over here, and I hope you guys are taking notes, by the way, because believe it or not, this is pretty important if you are a new trader. Um, or you can always come back to the video, but a lot of people have questions about this a lot of the time. And yeah, just make sure you're taking notes on specifics. Right over here, you have your watch list. These are all the pairs that you want to watch. Basically, the pairs that we will be going over mostly are US 30, NAS, 100, gold, SPX, some cryptos, XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum. But you can also do some Forex pairs if you like to trade Forex. And we will go over some of those pairs as well. But yeah, basically, this is where you would have all your watch list on this side. And basically, that's pretty much it. Just to get your account set up and running, you really just need to know these basic steps. And we will go over marking up charts in the next video. So I look forward to seeing you guys there. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.